Now Chan's leading us because we have zero clue where we're at. Well, I mean, we know where we're at, but we don't know where to go.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
All the flankers did not know where we were going. Let me plug y'all in. Fuzzy Memory by Triple. I'm telling y'all, Bang for Cam on Spotify is that playlist. I'm telling you. I don't know why everybody keeps on asking me. They're like, yo, Cam, like, what do you listen to? And I'm like, dude, I listen to Bang for Cam. I listen to other stuff on our ride too, but like Bang for Cam. I confess, Kawasaki made one hell of a bike when that made that H2. Oh, it's a pops for me every time. But when it bounces off a wall, you guys already know. I talk about it every video because it doesn't get old. See, I can lean and pick the bike up, as you just saw. That's how we corner when the tires are cold. I don't know why, but like, I mean, I ride it in this mode all the time, but I mean, maybe I'm just never like giving a gas like that, but you guys don't understand, I don't wheelie that fast ever, like ever. I mean, I guess it's a GPR, honestly, because usually what happens is when you get at speed, your front wheel will catch because that's a pivot point, the wind will actually move it, and once that gets caught, your entire bike, you gotta think, if you're throwing a baseball at 100 miles an hour and there's wind, it's going to move. If you turn this wheel, the whole bike's gonna react, your body weight, everything comes together, and that all changes, everything changes. Ooh.
Whoa there! You thought we were going without it? I gotta break up the hype, baby! First, I want to say thank you to Ridge Wallets for sponsoring this video. This sleek forged ash looks insane, but there's also 30 other styles that you can actually choose from. These are just a few of the ones that I actually have. Another thing I like about Ridge Wallet is that you can actually get one of these wallets, and up to 45 days, if you do not like it, they'll actually give you a refund. So that's actually pretty sweet with a wallet that has a lifetime warranty as well. But if you guys want to grab one of these, make sure that you head over to my description by hitting the link in the description. Use the code TheKillerCam, and you guys can check out these things. Thank you again to Ridge Wallet for sponsoring this video, but I think it's time to get back to the hype, okay? All right.
I legitimately don't ride like this. I used to a long time ago. I don't feel the need, but like, you gotta have a little bit of fun every once in a while. You gotta get it in. I don't promote this. There's definitely that old guy that's like 50 years old that's like, well, this is the example that you're putting on. It's like, Actually, throughout most of my videos, yeah, I promote wheeling, you know, in a safe spot and a time and place for everything. But like, hey, like, I never tell anyone to go fast. I'm not advocating it. I might do it, but I'm not advocating for you guys to do it. So make sure you know the difference. Throughout that ride, you could honestly see me hesitate. And I don't mean hesitate, I react. But I hesitate on a decision because I'm like, should I do this? And I'm like, nah. And then you'll see me just hit my brakes and I won't pass that car or I won't take that gap. I'm hyper aware when I ride. I don't know where I'm at. It's hot. It's hot now. Oh, that was a good burp. I can't believe I have 7,000 miles on this bike already. Quite literally insane. Damn. Like, I know I ride, but like, damn, do I ride like that? I don't mean like fast. I just mean like, am I really on the road that much? Oh, it's a big ass dirt bike. Oh, we're there. That's a cop. Chan.
What?
That's your speed?
No.
That's your fucking speed?
No. No. Didn't calm down.
We got here safely, that's all that matters.
2 hours later.
Sorry, I just ate, now I'm all sleepy, guys. I had to do it. Pete is like being in front of a legend. If you check his mirrors, you might be able to see that he has a front and rear camera set up in his mirrors and a GPS. What else that's crazy does he have? His own custom fabs, everything. That the bike is custom. Like, that's a custom CBR 1000. You ever seen someone get chased by a helicopter? Just understand he's a legend. Oh, that's so cool. That's so weird. It was really smooth though. It went right into my mouth. My eyes just open. Dan? I thought he was.
The turns got kind of wicked back there.
No, they were bumpy. They weren't smooth. It's Cam. Where are you with the pack or no?
No. It told me to turn left.
So you turned off?
Yeah. I went right.
He said he's with somebody and he's good. He made the wrong turn. Let's catch him. Huh? We gonna catch him.